Welcome to 140 by Talk to the Duck.dev. Today we'll discuss simple JDWP remote debugging, which is useful for debugging some cases. We'll discuss how you can connect to a remote server and also how you can slightly improve the security. We will then dig into the inherent flaws of JDWP and why you shouldn't use it in production or even staging. First, we need to run the process we'll connect to remotely. To do that, we need to run a command similar to this. Notice that this is a simplified version. In many cases, the argument should be embedded in configuration files. To debug remote process, we can add a run configuration for remote debugging, which already exists and is pre-configured with the default such as port 5005. I just give the new run configuration a name and we're ready to go with debugging the app. Notice there are many options to tune here, but we don't need any of them. To make sure the right run configuration is selected, which it is, we can now just press debug to instantly connect to the running process. Once that is done, this feels and acts like any debugger instance launched from within the IDE. So why do it? In some cases, running the server locally in the IDE is impractical. A good example would be debugging a container on your own machine. That might not be trivial. JDWP is very insecure when used remotely. Locally on your own machine, it isn't a problem, but it has almost no security protections. There's no solution for that. But there's a very partial workaround of tunneling it over SSH. This is relatively trivial. Just use this command to open a tunnel between the remote machine to your local machine. For both sides, it will seem like local debugging. JDWP effectively allows remote code execution, lets you access all the bytecode of the app, which is effectively the same as giving access to your full source code. It lets attackers do almost anything since it wasn't designed with security in mind. Some operations in the debugger require more than one step in terms of the protocol. As a result, you could send a request to the debuggee, lose your connection, and the debuggee could be stuck in a problematic state. This is an inherent limitation of the JDWP protocol and can't be worked around in a standard debugger. The problem is that even unintentional actions can demolish a server. A simple conditional breakpoint that invokes a method as part of the condition can demolish server performance and crash it. Imagine placing a breakpoint where the user password is passed to authentication. If JDWP is open for your server, a member of your team might use that and you will never know. There's no tracking at all. Check out talktotheduck.dev and follow Debug Agent on Twitter to learn more. Thanks for watching.